don't know what it is, but for the past 2 nights, I've had this Britney Spears song in my head, and I can't get it out. It's like really good. I like her latest stuff. Really good. Anyway. Soaking those engine parts overnight in that engine cleaner did the trick. It's really good. Got all the grime off, all the oil, all the excess paint. It looks like it cleaned up a lot. There's oil and garbage floating at the top now. Pretty good. Got some new engine paint today. The lid is gray, but it says it's blue gray, Yamaha blue gray, which is a blue gray, which is much better than the other one. Very happy with this color. So we'll see how that works. Hopefully a lot better than what you see here. This is ridiculous. Is that the same color? I guess it is. Huh. But we'll redo this. So this marine store, they have everything. They got paint, they've got parts supplies, boat supplies, they've got clothes, shoes, and they've got boats, they've got just all the equipment you'd ever need for boating. Looks pretty clean, huh? We'll put this in the ultrasonic cleaner and make it even better. Now for the ultrasonic cleaner. Now I can read the instructions. That looks Spanish. Dilute with hot or cold water using the following guidelines. Always spot test a hidden area first. Apply solution, leave the surface. 25% or 1 to 4. 1 part per 4. We got the detergent in here. Let's turn it on. So it's getting warmer. Put it at 30. Oops. Okay, temperature set to 50, actual 27. On. So now it'll warm up. This is gonna take a while. The choke assembly baffle plate retention spring. 1 degree. It's taking way too long. What the heck? Set the temperature. That ultrasonic cleaner is really annoying. I mean, it really penetrates the walls. It's like, oh God, gotta get out of here. So I left the garage, went in, watched the news for a while. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see how these things did. So dirty you can't even see into the bottom of it. Putting it in the ultrasonic cleaner helped a lot. That's a very good sign. Alright, let's get the parts out. Alright, now we'll put the barrels in. Great. That bolt broke off as I was taking it out. I can't believe I broke another screw. Kids, don't try this at home. Let's try with this one more time. Just see if it actually threads through. Most of it came out. Just needs a little work. Alright, so let's see how we do. Plug that back in so my wife doesn't get upset. A little discoloration, but not too bad actually. I wasn't sure at first how much of the carburetor I should actually paint. And then I did some research and found out it was paint like most of the outside layer. As long as you don't paint the tubes, the valves, and the top and bottom layers where they rest on the gaskets, that's fine. I just sprayed like a half coat, lightly, a little at a time, to about a half coat. Let it set, and then after it dried, a much thicker coat. That's more like it. It's the blue gray I was hoping for. It dried in like 10 minutes. Very nice. Huh? Nice color. Very nice color. It was about 80, 82, 83 degrees today, so it dried real quick. So I wrapped up all the stems, the top and bottom. I didn't paint the galvanized levers or anything like that, anything that moved. For this thing, I've got it on a piece of cardboard. I put a hole in it and laid it flat like that in the cardboard so that there would be enough seal around this area. That's why I didn't tape this side up. It looks sharp. Not too bad, huh? And then got the rebuild kit. Alright, very nice. Well, surgery begins tomorrow. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and leave a like, comment. If you have any questions, just let me know. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks.